Good morning, welcome back to my channel, and today is the 8th, Wednesday the 8th. Yeah, Wednesday the 8th. So, today is not my weigh-in day. Tomorrow is actually my weigh-in day, but I got up early, so I'm gonna show you how much I weigh today. This is 191.6. So that's good news. That's a few pounds down, but it could just be water weight. But you know, I'm speaking into the world that I'm losing all the weight that I want. So I'm gonna show you a full, sorry, my room is messy. I show you what my body looks right now. So I'm gonna turn you over. All right. My lighting is a little bad in here, but okay. So this is me at 191 pounds. Oh, I have a bad habit of sucking my tummy in. So yeah, oh my god, my mirror is all dusty. Don't mind that. Okay, so this is what I look like right now. Side view. I took my measurements and they're downstairs, but you know, I think my waist, or yeah, my waist was like 37 or 38, something like that, and then my hips was 45 or something or other. Yeah, so I'm gonna make actually Thursday my official weigh-in days. So tomorrow I'm gonna weigh myself again and, you know, see how much I've done. I'm gonna go into my bathroom because there's so much more light. Yeah, there you go. So, what I'm doing right now is I'm working out like maybe 4 times a week, and I did my meal prep, which I can show you in a little bit. I don't have lipstick on. Is that weird? So as we started our meal prep, I made quinoa for the very first time, which is actually really good with the steak, and that's what we've been eating. I'm gonna show you guys a little later. Hold on. Ooh, focusing. All right, hey guys. Okay. Where's my kitty? Look at him. Hey, Bumps. He wants some food, so I'm gonna give him some of that. He went to his special drawer. I gave him his real food upstairs, but he doesn't like his real food as much as he likes his treats. So I'm gonna give him a little bit. Oh, Bubs. He is spoiled. Okay, gonna make my coffee since it's still early. Well, I'm early. Look at this Harry Potter mug. Love it. Okay. So, as I was saying, let me show you guys my meal prep. So, it's literally just steak and quinoa. Quinoa that I kind of like made fried rice-ish with like onions and garlic. I sauteed it. That's what I'll be taking to work. And yeah, I don't know, what else should I show? I'll do another video tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have this posted by What's tomorrow? Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Alright, and okay, I'll see you guys later. Hola, good morning. I don't know why I just sounded like that. But good morning, today is weigh-in day. Today is Thursday, so follow me into the bathroom, because, you know. Alright, I'm gonna put it down. Let's see. Alright. Okay. So it's 189.6. Which is amazing because I'm pretty happy with that since I just started. Ooh, that's really close to my face. Since I just started last week. So that's good news. I'm gonna get ready for the day and drink some coffee. I do have work today, so I'm not washing my hair though. I'm sleepy. I don't know, but for some reason I'm so sleepy. Maybe because I went to the gym late last night. I don't know. Or, yeah. I slept okay, but whatever. Alright guys, I will see you later.